Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to set up and use standby mode on your iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the settings application on your mobile device. And after getting into the settings, you need to scroll down and you will find the standby option right here. Then, simply tap to go into this option from settings. So you can turn on or turn off the standby option from here. After that, you can see your standby if you scroll down your control panel from the top row corner. You can switch between all the given options of your standby features. Select any of the following options and keep it on your screen. So this is exactly how you can set up and use standby mode on iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.